Nau mai koutou, Kor Dylan toku ingoa. My name is Dylan.
And morning at Winton School, Kor archie, ahau. I'm Archie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for day 2, the 14th of June.
Okay, let's get into kupu or te wiki. This week's word is norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
As in, kei te tepu na tamariki e noho ana. The children are sitting at the table.
Kapai, that's norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
Kia ora. Powers news. Check out the library window. I think you're in the hall, but I'm not sure. Check the window.
For sure. On to health and safety news. VIZ VESTS, we need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
Still with health and safety. Icepacks. If you use an icepack, make sure that it is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Now if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Whare puka puka news. The House of Books, aka the library, will be open 12:45 for browsing issues and returns.
Magazine team. You have a meeting at 12:40 today in the group room.
Ripper rugby news. You have training tomorrow at 12:45. Please bring your gear.
Full birthday today at Winton School. I think it's a record. Kendrick Dela Cruz turns 11 and Molly Maguire hits double digits 10.
And sharing their birthdays but not their presents, turning 8 are Charlie Barnes and Carter Barnes.
Rāwhānau kia koutou. Happy birthday everyone. Have a great day. Even you, Mr. Trump. Yes, it's the Don's birthday too.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite e popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the grass, Winton School.